welcome back to my family's channel. I'm Edward. So today I am gonna show you how to put these batteries inside the keys. So these are my mom's keys right now, and these are the stuff you need. Just some, I don't know what this means. It's called Energizer. Okay, it's called an Energizer. You'll need this. You need one. And you'll need your own keys. Honda keys. Okay. So, right now, we're going to start. So, right now, here, look. So, first, you turn the back of the keys. And then you see this thing over here. You are going to have to pull that down, and then you pull this part like this. And then when you do that, you are going to put, so you have this right now, and then you are gonna have to put this in the middle of these two things. You just put it in there and then start twisting so you can make it crack open. Alright? So this will take a while because it's kind of a little hard to open it, so we're gonna speed this up.
Thousands of tears later.
Guys, I finally opened it. So when you get this, you are gonna replace this with this, okay? So first, you're just gonna open it, which is so easy. Okay, you gotta be careful. You have to open it slowly, or it might break, because these are for the keys. Oh gosh, this is a little hard. I'm trying to not let it break. There, okay. Now we just open it. Ew. There we go. Now I just have to try to open this. Hold on, I have a pencil here. Try to poke it. Can we poke it? We didn't really poke it. Is there anything we can use to open this thing? How do we, wait, hold on. This will take a while because I'm trying to see. Okay guys, I opened it. So you're just gonna have to open it using scissors or ask your parents. So you have to open it carefully because you don't want it to break. Oof, this is hard. There we go, we got it out. Oof, there's still some things on it. Ugh, just ripping it. Oof. So you're gonna have to throw the trash after you open it. Because you can't litter around. Scissors. Guys, safety. What is this? Don't let babies use scissors. Be safe with scissors. So yeah, it's supposed to be like this, but there's a few papers stuck in it, which is hard to. Oof, almost got it out. Okay, can I use it? A little scissors. Guys, safety. Don't let babies use scissors. Don't cut the battery because we need that. For action of the battery is this. It's so hard to remove. Oof, almost got it, guys. Finally, guys, that took forever. Literally so hard. Or I could just use this camera. Yep, we finally got it. So you see that when it shows a plus, that means it's a battery, not just a coin. It looks like a coin, but it's a battery. Okay, now we finally got. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this. Alright, it's gonna be a little hard, so. There we go. Alright, so when you get that, you replace it with this one. The new battery, which is already going to be replaced with this. Okay. So how was it like that again? Okay, so it was like this, right? Alright, so put it in there. There we go. And we're done. You just put it in there, and then you can put it all back together. Just put it together, just a little snap. Wait, how do I? Why is this open? You close it. So first, you get like, look. So first, when you get those, you do this part first, not the other side. This part first. Because if you don't, you're gonna have to open it again and try to close it again. So first, you close this part. Oof. There we go. Okay, now the side. Okay, and there we go. And then, wait, it's still opened. It's sometimes gonna be a little hard to close it, so it's gonna take a while. There we go. Close that. Yeet. Close and close. There we go, guys. You're done. And then now you can just replace it. You can just replace it back. There you go. You're done. Now the battery's inside, and then now you have the old one. Up. Now you have your old battery, which is not needed anymore. So guys, I am gonna try to see if it works. So look, that's our car. Okay, you're gonna see. So we're gonna do the open button and the lock button. Ready, go. Oh wait, did you hear that, guys? You would, look, you just gotta hear it. Yeah, you guys heard that, right? You just gotta put your ears right next to the thing you're using. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next videos. Bye!